Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable Copilot guys. I show you guys how to do that. Go to search menu and type GP edit. Opens up edit group policy. Click on open it. You just need to under the user configuration expand the administrative templates and expand the Windows components, and you just need to scroll down. Here you can able to see the Windows Copilot. Click on it. On right side, double click on the tan of Windows Copilot. Double click on it, and you just need to set this to enabled and select apply and OK for save changes. Now your Copilot has been disabled guys. Now for checking it, right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. As you can see in taskbar items, no longer the Copilot is listed over here. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.